Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and today we have a brand new Cash App design. Okay, so Cash App just launched a brand new user interface, a brand new design, a brand new experience. I'm super excited about it. I'm gonna open this up, give you my first impressions, and we're gonna review everything in it, take a look and see what it's all about. Bam! So there is the brand new home screen. This is dope. There's no more like swiping left and right. We've got the tabs down here on the bottom. This is super clean. I love Cash App. I use this thing every single day, so this is exciting to see updates like this. So we've got a scanner thing up the top. Looks like we can use this to pay people. I don't really use that. Let's type in some money here. All right. That's pretty clean. So you can use this if you want to pay someone or request a payment from someone. Quick note, don't request money from me or you will get blocked, because I can't have people continue to request money and just continue to send me notifications. I can't handle it, guys. But this is the home screen. This is where you launch the app to this middle icon down here in the tab bar. So let's go to the home icon. So this is sort of like the menu or the settings, it looks like. I have 35 cents available. I'm not going to tap on my cash because I just tapped that, and it shows information that I don't want to show you guys. You can tap on my Bitcoin. So there's the amount of Bitcoin I own. You can get your debit card information, add a bank, add a credit card, all of that good stuff. Also, this is where you would come to add cash to your account. So let's add some money real quick. I'll add $10. You added $10 to your Cash App, so there we go. We got $10.35 in here, and it changes the dollar amount on the bottom left too, so that's pretty clean. So if you have like $1 in here, it'll say 1. If you have $10, it'll say 10. Nice. So we've got the Cash Card. If you don't know, Cash App also has a Cash Card that'll give you dope discounts. Sometimes at places you love, but like at coffee shops, I can get $1 off. Let's see if they got any new ones in here. No new ones. There was a Target one where you get $1 off at Target each time, but they got rid of that. What's up with that? So we got the Cash Card screen, the main screen. Now Bitcoin has its own section. This is sick. If you don't know, I do an experiment on my channel where I buy $1 of Bitcoin every single day. Go ahead and check out the links in the description if you want to learn all about that. Learn about how to buy Bitcoin, how to sell Bitcoin, how to transfer Bitcoin, all of that using Cash App. It's really the easiest way to buy Bitcoin in the world. So we've got the new Bitcoin screen. 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. And all. So they've added the all section. That's dope. And you can of course scroll on this chart, and the history is going back to January 1st 2013 when Bitcoin is first $13. Ooh, go over the whole history. That's dope. So tomorrow actually I'm going to be releasing a video along the lines of how much money would you have if you purchased $1 Bitcoin every single day since Bitcoin came out in 2010. So be on the lookout for that video. I've been planning it for a while. It's going to be a dope video, so check that out. But I already purchased today's Bitcoin, today's $1 worth. I'm on day like 224, 225, something like that. I have $359 here, so a solid return on my investment there. Welcome to the new Bitcoin section of the Cash App. That's dope. In the bottom right of the tab bar, I'm scrolling down a little bit to hide one of my transactions that I can't really show. But the history screen, nice and simple. We can also tap into an item, get all the details on each transaction, so that's nice. Back to the home screen, we also have our profile in the top right. So we've got mostly information stuff here. You can also invite your friends and get $5 if they sign up. So if you want to sign up for Cash App, click my link in the description, sign up if you're interested in that. We both get $5. And there you have it. That's it for the overview of the brand new Cash App design. I'm really liking it. I like that they have a dedicated Bitcoin section now and a dedicated wallet section. That's pretty clean because it's kind of hidden at the top of the screen before, and then you had to like swipe between the different sections. So this tab bar down at the bottom is nice and clean. I like it. So let us know what you guys think of the new Cash App design down in the comments. Also let us know if you have any questions down there. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come in last, so go hard.